Hey, how about that?
That's it.
The kids' trial had setbacks, but this is the news some parents have been waiting for. American reports say Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine for children under 5 could be available by the end of the month.
Ultimately, the decision resides with FDA, but there is some indication that there may be an earlier action on that application.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration reportedly urged Pfizer to submit its emergency use application. Regulators can now start reviewing the data for its 2-dose kids vaccine. In December, Pfizer said 2 low-dose shots prompted a strong immune response in children 6 months to 2 years old, but fell short in children aged 2 to 4. The trial now includes a 3rd low dose as well.
I think there's a lot of pressure on Pfizer to submit to the FDA. Because there's a lot of concern about the number of children that are being hospitalized in the U.S. with COVID.
As for Canada,
it's not to say we don't have some children in this age group that are hospitalized, but it is not such a huge problem as it is in the U.S.
So far, only 53% of kids aged 5 to 11 have been vaccinated, even though there have been no significant safety concerns. Doctors say the belief among many parents is the virus doesn't really make kids sick.
The arguments that COVID-19 isn't severe in small children aren't really true.
But doctors insist the virus can lead to other serious conditions in kids, including multisystem inflammatory syndrome.
Relative to other diseases that we routinely vaccinate against in childhood, COVID-19 is much more impactful.
Both Andel and his 8-month-old brother Soren took part in Pfizer's trial.
A little bit of a sore arm for a day.
Health Canada says it expects Pfizer to submit its data shortly. If all goes well, doctors say there could be a children's vaccine in the spring. Christine Birak, CBC News, Toronto.